Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds. Today, we're making butter chicken. Let's get it. First things first, we're going to make 2 batches of spice mix. First, we're going to add some turmeric, about a tablespoon. Next, we're going to add some curry powder, about a teaspoon of each. Teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. Teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon of cayenne. Teaspoon of ground coriander. Some cardamom. And lastly, some garam masala. You can now whisk it together, make sure everything is nice and well incorporated. Now we move on to our next step. Next, we're going to debone and deskin 6 chicken thighs. After deboning it and deskinning the chicken, you're going to cut it into cubes or bite-sized pieces. You can also use boneless, skinless chicken thighs if you want, but that normally costs a little bit more money, so it's normally cheaper to do it yourself. After cubing your chicken thighs, you're going to add them to a bowl. To the chicken, you're going to add some full-fat plain yogurt, about a cup's worth. A little bit of lemon juice, about a teaspoon's worth. And then you're going to add that spice mix from earlier. And then you're going to massage the chicken and the spice mix together. Make sure everything is nice and well incorporated. After that, you're going to cover and let it marinate for about 30 minutes up to overnight. Next, we're going to dice up 2 small shallots. Over medium-high heat, we're going to add about a tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, you're going to add your chicken. You're going to stir it till the chicken is just about cooked, and then you're going to take it off the heat into a separate pan. In that same pan, you're going to add a little bit more ghee. You're going to add the shallots from earlier. You're going to grate in about 1 inch of ginger. And grate in 5 cloves of garlic. Once it's nice and fragrant, you're going to add the other spice mix. And this is going to help awaken the spices and their flavor. Gonna add a little bit more ghee. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And a whole can of San Marzano tomatoes. After a couple minutes of cooking, you can either blend it up or keep it as it is. I'm going to blend mine up for a little bit. If you chose to blend it, you can add it back to the pot after you're done blending. Next, you're going to add the chicken back. After about 5 minutes, you're going to add about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Now you want to salt to taste. And now we let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. After about 15 minutes, we're going to kill the heat. And we're going to add 6 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, you're set to go, and you can serve it over basmati rice. Time for the taste test. Bon appetit. Now that right there is most definitely Chidolicious. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. Until next time, YouTube, peace.